already did that. I already did that. I already did that. I already did that.
Welcome back.
Today we're going to be making some fly vegan quesadillas. We're going to start by adding some olive oil to a hot pan. Then I'll throw some sliced red onions into the pan. Saute the onion for about 5 minutes. Then add your artichoke. And now it's time to add the seasoning. You're going to need some crushed red pepper flakes, sea salt, and Italian seasoning. I'm going to give it a mix. Then I'll add some spinach. I'm going to let this cook just enough for the spinach to wilt. Stirring it, making sure everything is combined. This mixture is going to make 2 quesadillas. So I'm using 2 tortillas. Okay, I'm going to place half of the mixture onto 1 tortilla. Add some vegan cheese. Fold the tortilla closed, and now I'm going to press this on my griller for about 6 minutes until it's golden brown.
Yes, fly vegan, you see it. You see it.
Okay, now I'm going to cut this in half, and I'll repeat the steps with the other quesadilla. And there you have it, spinach artichoke quesadillas. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Share with a friend, and don't forget
To subscribe.